There's another vent on a brand new house that's been built, oh, probably 5 years ago. But look what the builders left behind. So every time your air goes on, whether it be your heat or your air conditioning, it blows air out of this vent, and then you're breathing it. It's airborne and you can't even see it. Look, that fine dust, you're breathing it. Look at all this. Yeah, thank the builders for being professional. Alright, I'm gonna blow this out real quick. Watch it disappear. We are using a gravity system, so there is pull from even our vacuum pulling, just being hooked up to it. No, we don't use shop bags. That's for people that don't know what they're doing.